Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Bluebird card. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, take your Bluebird card and make sure you have the card number and security code available. Check the front and back of the card to confirm it is your card and the name is printed correctly. Prepare a stable internet connection on your phone or computer to avoid interruptions during activation. Open a web browser and go to the official Bluebird website at bluebird.com. If you prefer mobile, download the official Bluebird app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. On the homepage or app, find and tap the option that says Activate Card. Enter your Bluebird card number exactly as it appears on the front of your card. Type the expiration date shown on the card if the form requests it. Enter the CVV security code from the back of the card when prompted. Provide your zip code and make sure it matches the address you will use with your account. If you already have a Bluebird account, sign in using your username and password. If you do not have an account, choose Create Account to register as a new user. Enter your legal name, date of birth, and email address carefully and accurately. Create a strong password and store it securely so you can log in later. Add your mobile number and complete any verification step using the code sent by SMS. Review the terms and conditions on the screen before you continue. Confirm your personal information one more time to avoid activation errors. Tap or click Submit, Continue, or Activate to start the activation process. Wait for the confirmation message that says your Bluebird card is now active. If you are asked to set up a 4-digit PIN, choose a PIN you can remember and do not share it. Log into your account dashboard to confirm the card status shows active. Add funds by linking a bank account, setting up direct deposit, or loading cash at a supported location. If you link a bank, follow the on-screen steps to verify the account using micro deposits or instant verification. Enable account alerts to get notifications for purchases, balances, and deposits. Test your card with a small purchase or balance inquiry to ensure everything works correctly. If activation fails, double-check the card number, zip code, and your internet connection, then try again. If it still does not work, call the customer service number on the back of your Bluebird card for help. Keep your card in a safe place and never share your login details or verification codes with anyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.